on our way to see our house.
Our home.
We haven't told anybody yet, but we are on our way to do a final walkthrough of our house. It's done being built, and this is our first time seeing it ever.
Can't wait.
Probably won't bring you guys inside just because we're meeting with like the builders and everybody. They're explaining what and how like everything works, but the day is finally here. Are you excited?
Yeah, too excited.
I'm nervous.
Too.
Excited. We'll vlog afterwards then. Hi guys. Totally forgot to vlog after the last clip, but we were a little bit too excited. But now
It's official.
we're on our way to go pick up the keys. Everything is done. All the stress and paperwork is over with, and we're almost there. So we'll bring you guys along this time. Peace. We got the keys.
Yay.
Sneak peek.
Okay, that's it.
That's it. Just got our keys, and it's so echoey in here. It's official, but we aren't moving until after Thanksgiving, so we will be moving in about a week from now.
It's kind of dusty in here. Hello.
Hello. Coming live from our new kitchen.
So this is the fridge. Here's the...
And that's all you're gonna get.
How do you feel? That's it? No words?
No words. I'm
Speechless?
Speechless. We're standing in our house. It's official.
You don't have to yell. Nice. What's going on?
Just sitting where our couch will be in a few weeks. Pretending we have bought one thing, and it's a couch. So we have to furnish the rest of the house, and I'm so excited to start decorating and furnishing everything. But it'll probably take a while, so we'll do that in like installments, because it's gonna be a while until our house is like fully furnished how we want it. So today we just came to officially pick up our keys. We will be moving in next week, so I will be sure to vlog that. We haven't started packing yet because we wanted to wait until it was like for sure that we were going to move. So this weekend we have to pack up everything.
Gosh.
Okay, I'm dizzy now.
We can buy that ottoman piece. Oh, that's like a...
Do you like it?
First guess.
First gift.
Yeah.
You like it?
Fantastic. Year and a half. So it'll come soon.
So, Emily said they're getting ready to close out their sales office there.
Yeah.
Just everything. The
That's how much comes with those things on your plates when you put them in.
Not as much as we thought, remember?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna like clean it tomorrow.
Welcome.
Day two.
Day
Day
two. Day two in our house. We're not moved in, but we came here to clean, kind of. And we just went to Costco. Oops. We went to Costco. What'd you get?
I got house slippers because my feet be hurting like crazy.
We also got a food saver because it's on sale right now. It ends today, $50 off, and it's just us two now. So it's just us two, so we're gonna need it. Some microfiber, some microfiber towels to clean, and then look, stainless steel mixing bowls, my baking. So now we're just waiting for Maynard's family. They're gonna come check out the house. It's still empty. We don't have any furniture. We literally just came to clean. We went to Home Goods earlier and we bought, what did we buy?
Table mats. Oh no, placemats. Mats. We bought towels.
Towels, bath mats.
A rug for the bathroom.
Yeah, bath mat.
Bath mats, that's what I meant.
And then we went to Target and bought a bunch of cleaning supplies. We went to Lowe's to buy some blinds and some things. They are currently sold out, so we only could buy 2. So we'll just be installing our blinds slowly. So we kind of clean 1 week until we move in. Welcome to my house. I need to take a break.
Almost.
Our little mattress just got delivered. Oh my god, it's so hard bringing it up. The first thing that was delivered to us. Get your lull on.
Over that.
Wow, it's so big. For comparison, we have a full-size bed at home right now. So this is huge for us. We just opened it, but it's really soft. Like it's very, oh my gosh. Man, your back. It like forms to your body. Our first official piece of furniture. Even though it's just the mattress, we still have to order a bed.
Packing again.
Doing a little packing on Thanksgiving. We move in 2 days.
Swish and flick.
It's getting real empty. Empty. Mess. It's just a mess everywhere. Can't forget these. Ta-da! 1 more day till the big move. And it looks like we haven't done anything.
You haven't done it.
Well, now I'm gonna tackle my makeup area. I'm just using Ziploc bags. Separate everything. And under my sweatshirts, I have all my eyeshadow palettes. Foundation.
Want me to put your clothes in here?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Foundations.
Should be pretty easy to put back.
Primers. Oh yeah, take off the legs. Yes, fits. Macaron break.
Cheers.
I still have a lot to pack. So what I'm doing is now moving on to the lipsticks. As you can see, I have them separated by color, so I'm just using a bag per container. That way, hopefully when I unpack, it won't be that hard to put it back. It's our last night here. It's our last night sleeping here.
Where's here?
At home.
Home.
At my parents' house. Where I have lived here for
100 years.
29 years. We've lived here for like a year and a half.
Yeah, because we moved, what, April last year?
My childhood home. Where I've lived in this room that's painted yellow forever. We're moving into
Doesn't even
our
look
own
yellow.
place.
Actually, it does kind of look yellow.
Does look kind of into our own home tomorrow.
I'm excited.
I'm excited too. And we're gonna bring Clay tomorrow to see
Can't
it for
wait
the first
to
time.
watch on my new TV, our new TV.
And we can pick up the U-Haul tomorrow at 9 a.m. And then we move. Everything's all packed up pretty much.
What's this one?
Looks insane. Here's all the furniture we have to move. My last night here.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow on moving day. D-Day.
I wanted to play PlayStation one last time. Before Wednesday.
Yeah, because we'll have our Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah, no Wi-Fi till Wednesday.
No Wi-Fi till Wednesday. You better play tonight.
Can't.
Why?
I'm tired.
See you tomorrow.
Peace.
Bye. Peace and love.